So, guys, I am here with Kalin. This is an awesome American living in South America. Kalin, tell us a little bit about yourself, what you do for a living. Tell us all the things.
Yeah, my name's Kalin Zlackett, and yeah, I'm from California originally, San Francisco, and we've been living in Guatemala for the past 4 years. And I've been a professional mariner, sailor, tugboat captain for my whole working career until recently, trying to switch over to trading. I've been looking for a way to be a digital nomad for quite a lot of years now, and I've tried a couple things, but nothing stuck yet. And so far, I'm loving trading, and it's going.
And
Yeah.
yeah, and you're recording this from your back seat. Show us a
Yeah.
little bit about what you have
Here-
going on in front
Here's
of
my
you.
son, and
Hi.
we're on the freeway headed from San Diego to, or no, LA to San Diego. Yeah.
That's awesome. That's
Yeah.
awesome. So
Yeah.
you're
So
doing
I'm
it.
on the
You're
road.
being the digital nomad. Yeah, that's awesome. Well, tell us a little bit about your strategies. Kind of what did you do to first, like the specific strategies to help get yourself funded? Tell us a little bit about what you did there and kind of what you learned along the way.
Yeah. So I started with the 90-day masterclass, which included the audition for $100,000 account. And the masterclass was really great for giving me the skills, the practice, or the habits to implement the skills, and then community for the support. And yeah, and so that really helped me get jump started into trading. And yeah, then I got, after the class ended, I jumped over into the audition account and got funded.
This is a one and done type thing, right? This is your first attempt,
This was my
right?
first attempt,
Yep.
and was able to do it in just over 2 months. And I think it was 57 trades total for to reach the finish line. Yeah.
Nice, awesome.
I've been manually day trading 99% of the time. I'm using the 10 EMA strategy along with candlestick patterns and support resistance. Basic stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Now, Kalin, you and I got to meet, was it about 3 weeks ago, kind of on the other side of the world. Tell us a little bit about that. What was your experience like there?
Yeah, so I said yes to the Croatia trip. We got to meet up on a yacht, traveled all around Croatia and saw the beautiful coast there. And it was a fantastic trip. Got to meet so many cool people and have so many great conversations, and really get to feel the abundance that the life of trading could
Absolutely.
bring. So it was a fantastic trip, and so glad I could
Absolutely.
do it.
Yeah, and we got to both take part in kind of the spontaneous wedding that happened on the yacht as well, which is first for
Absolutely.
us at least. So yeah,
Yeah,
that was pretty awesome.
great surprise.
So
Yeah.
tell us a little bit in closing, like what suggestions, what guidance would you give maybe to a new trader, someone who's working on getting funded, maybe who feels a little like they've had some setbacks? What advice, guidance would you give them?
Yeah. Well, so what I did was I just lowered my risk unit to amount that was so small that I didn't have really any emotional charge going on with it. So for me, that was $300 per trade, and I just did that until I had a good cushion, wasn't worried about blowing up my account, and then I switched to $500 R to once that I had that cushion to speed things up, and then near like the final quarter, I switched to $1,000 R, and
There's
that
no
got me to the
risk.
finish
Yep.
line well and without too many setbacks. And so I think being patient and reducing your R to a point where you feel confident and able to make trades without making silly mistakes like slamming your stop up too hard or something like that. Um,
Sure.
yeah, I guess having a small risk unit helps me follow my plan easier. So yeah, stick to the plan and use a good risk unit.
Awesome. So stick to the plan. Sign up for the 90-day masterclass. Kalin, you are an awesome example slash testimonial for all new traders who are looking for more of that time freedom that you're doing right now, literally in the car,
Yeah,
in the back seat. So love
absolutely.
that. That's so awesome. Thank you so much for sharing your story and being an awesome example for everyone in our real life
Thank you,
trading
Matt. And
community.
best of luck to
And
anyone that's going
thank you
for
so
it.
much.
It's really doable. Yeah. Thank you, Matt.
Thanks so much, Kalin. Have a great rest of your day.